A lot of people have been asking me what are the important details we need to sign up our monetization on Facebook, And apart from the people asking this question, there are a lot of people who have actually made a mistake. Maybe they mistake so many documents with other documents, right? So this is the reason why I'm making this video to share with you guys the important documents and details you need for your Facebook monetization. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to build, grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. When it comes to Facebook monetization, we know that most of the things we need is for us to first reach the criteria. And when you have reached the criteria, there are some things you need for you to sign up. So for the in-stream ad, you need 5,000 subscribers, 60,000 watch minutes. You need to be in an eligible country. You need to be following the Facebook content monetization policy, right, for them to bring up setup. So when they bring up setup, what are the things you need, right? So I'm going to be sharing 6 important things you will need for you to sign up your Facebook monetization, which number one is task identification number. Task identification number is what we all call TIN. Understand? So you will need your TIN number. TIN number is what tells Facebook that this guy is a taxpayer and he or she is a citizen of a certain country. So without your tax information, Facebook is not going to approve your monetization. So a lot of people actually don't know how to get this tax information, right? It's very easy. I made a video on how to actually do that. I made this video and I'll be dropping a link in the description. It will help you to actually get it. And after doing exactly what I did in that video, and it is not work for you, then you need to go and go to the office, right, for you to actually get the tax information. And the kind of tax information you need is the personal, understand, the individual. Do not use company, because when you use company, it will actually attract you to sign up for so many other things and bring so many other documents which you might not have. But when you use the individual, which is the personal, this is an individual, they will only ask for the detail, your own details. All right. So your tax identification number is very, very important. So the second thing you need is dollar account, right? So a lot of people are asking, why do I prefer using dollar account? Why I prefer using dollar account is that dollar actually add more values every day. So for people that had $1,000 in 2021 till now, you know how much this $1,000 have turned into. So because of that, if you're in Nigeria, it's more important that you start earning in dollar. So if you have an option where you can actually put a dollar account, why will you prefer to put a naira account, right? So but if you don't have a dollar account, you can actually use your naira account. But for the people who actually want to earn in dollar, you will need to get a dollar account. And to get a dollar account is very simple. All you need to do is to go to your preferable bank. When you get to the bank, you will have a little dollar, even if it's $20, $50, $100 in cash. If you have the money in cash, you just go to bank and they will help you create the account. Like when I created my own dollar account, you will need to bring 2 people to sign for you, but these days they don't do that again, because they now have dump savings, and if you want to create dump savings, which is okay for your Facebook monetization as well, that dump savings, you don't need to bring anybody, they will just create it for you. So you see that it's very simple. Just go to bank, carry some dollar with you, and they will open it for you. So another thing you will need is a Swift code, right? So it's important for you to actually get your bank Swift code uh, close. If you don't know your bank Swift code, you can go to Google and Google your bank Swift code, and they are going to be bringing it out. But if you are not really sure of the one that Google generated for you, you can just go to your bank and ask them what is the Swift code, or call your account manager and ask the person what is the bank Swift code, and they are going to be telling you that, because you will need it. So another thing we need as well is zip code. You need to know the zip code of a certain address you're putting for your monetization. If you are in Lagos, you just need to search for Lagos zip code and use any of them, it will work. If you are in Enugu, any state you are, just put the zip code for that particular state, it will work, right? So Basically, right, these are the things you need. Other thing is your name and your details. All those ones is something you already know. Even your daily basis on daily sign up you are making in different places. Your name and your date of birth. So but make sure that everything aligns together is very, very important. So this is exactly what you need for you to sign up for Facebook monetization. Right, if you have any more question on this, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll get to answer that. So thank you guys for watching this video. You guys are amazing, and if this is the first time in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button, because in this channel we post amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right, so thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.